Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And it's time for another Mailbag Monday.
You've got mail! You've got mail!
Hey, so we'd like to ask you a quick favor first and foremost, and that is, we would love to have you hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell for notification, and of course a thumbs up is always appreciated if you like what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get some packages open, huh? This week we have two from our love-hate relationship of Amazon. And the fun part about these is we never know who they're from. I mean, I guess once in a while somebody says, hey, I sent you something from Amazon. But for the most part, we never know who they're from. So I'm going to go ahead and take that one out. And I just picked them at random.
Bontech.
That's going to be, I don't actually know how to say that. It's BN Tech Go. It is definitely not Bontech. We know who Bontech is. So,
Hi Glenn, wow, the FK1 is really coming along. Print on from Scott.
Scott doesn't even put his last name anymore. He's become like so familiar here on Mailbag Monday, and I am going to 99.99% claim that is Scott McLellan. And thank you, Scott. That is the other batch of wire that we needed. Again, it was this is actually the smaller. This is the smaller gauge wire that we need. Or I'm sorry, the larger gauge wire that we needed. So that we can complete the wiring harnesses, which is becoming the biggest thorn in my side of this whole project. So. But we are only like 50 days away from the FK1 having to be finished.
Oh no.
50 days. That is not much time. It's scary to me. So thank you, Scott. It's always appreciated. I almost cringe to think that this might be from Scott as well. I'm going to stop putting stuff on our Amazon wish list because Scott just buys everything.
It's a package.
Oh, there's more stuff in there.
There is.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Winner chicken dinner.
I'm going to open this.
Hi, Glenn. Enjoy your gift from Scott McLellan. Hi, Glenn. This was listed as an Amazon Lightning deal today. Good choice from Scott. That's because they rope you in. They see what you've purchased before. They know the kind of stuff you're buying, and then they hook you. But I'll tell you what, it is so super appreciated. That is the 3/4. That's the larger of the PET braiding. And this company, just so you guys know, I'll do like a official review on it. But this Alex Tech PET wrap is really good. It's decent to work with. So that's the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch for the larger wiring harnesses. Is that the steel bag that they put that in?
Yeah.
The impossible to rip.
Uh-huh. I tried opening.
Want a knife?
No.
Want a machete?
No.
Want a laser?
No. Well, actually, a laser would be nice.
A shark?
No.
Shark with laser on its head?
Sure, why not?
There you go. Gotta watch the hinges and stuff. All right. That
is a lot.
Would be the heat shrink tubing. Also very critical when you're using the PET wrap, you can actually heat the end of it with, they show a lighter. I don't really like taking an open flame to my wires. But I like to just put a piece of heat shrink tubing over the end of it and seal it that way. So that is a beautiful set of, I don't even know how many pieces, 532 pieces of black shrink wrap in there. And so today's entire Mailbag Monday was brought to you by Scott McLellan. And you sir are so greatly appreciated. I mean, you've gone way beyond what anybody could ever ask for in the process of this whole entire project. So somehow we have to make it up to you. I know you keep telling me that you're doing it just because you want to and you want to see the project succeed, but I just feel like somehow I need to pay you back for all of this. But in the meantime, huge shout out and thank you to you. And the project is coming along well. And 50 days. 50 days. It's not long. It's pretty scary. So thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, we'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell for notifications. Xander likes thumbs downs. I prefer thumbs ups. Oh, I guess he likes the thumbs ups as well. You really need a haircut. Thanks. Hopefully we'll see you again next week for Mailbag Monday. As always, print on. All right. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.